Hey there, everybody. Guess what? Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of Instagram. Now, I know what you're thinking. Instagram is for young people with perfect lives and even more perfect avocado toast. But let me tell you, Instagram is for everyone, no matter your age or your breakfast preferences. You might be wondering, what can I possibly do on Instagram? Well, the possibilities are endless. You don't need perfect avocado toast to enjoy Instagram. You just need a phone and a desire to connect with the people you love. Instagram is like a giant, constantly updating photo album of all your favorite people and things. Imagine flipping through a photo album that never ends, filled with moments from your loved ones' lives. You can see what your grandkids are up to, spoiler alert, probably making TikToks, share pictures of your prize-winning orchids, or finally see if that restaurant everyone's talking about is really worth the hype. But that's not all. You can also follow your favorite celebrities, keep up with the latest news, and even discover new hobbies and interests. Instagram is a treasure trove of inspiration and entertainment. And let's not forget the fun of sharing your own moments. Whether it's a beautiful sunset, a delicious meal, or a funny moment with your pet, Instagram is the perfect place to share your life with others. You can also join communities of like-minded people. Love gardening? There are countless gardening enthusiasts sharing tips and photos. Passionate about cooking? Follow chefs and foodies for endless culinary inspiration. And if you're ever feeling lost, Instagram's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate. Plus, there are plenty of tutorials and guides to help you get started. So buckle up, buttercups, because we're about to embark on an Instagram adventure. Get ready to explore, connect, and share like never before. Welcome to the wonderful world of Instagram. Okay, first things first, we need to get you Instagramified. This is going to be a fun and exciting journey, so buckle up. Don't worry, it's easier than teaching a cat to play fetch. Trust me, you've got this. First, you'll need that smartphone of yours. You know, the one you use to call your grandkids and take those lovely photos. You know, the one you use to take pictures of your delicious dinners? Yes, that one. It's going to be your gateway to the Instagram world. Now, look for the App Store. It's where all the magic happens. Think of it as a library, but for apps. It looks like a little white A on a blue background for iPhone users, or a colorful triangle on Android phones. Easy to spot, right? Tap on that App Store icon. This is your first step towards Instagram fame. Now type Instagram in the search bar. It looks like a magnifying glass. This is where you'll find the app. See that little Instagram icon? It looks like a Polaroid camera. Nostalgic, isn't it? Tap that get or download button and boom, you're almost there. You're on your way to becoming an Insta star. Soon you'll be sharing your moments, connecting with friends, and exploring a whole new world of photos and videos. Get ready to dive into the Instagram universe. All right, you downloaded Instagram. You're officially cooler than a polar bear in sunglasses. Now let's create your account. Open the app and you'll see a Create New Account button. You can sign up with your email address or phone number. I recommend using an email you check regularly. You know, the one you use for online shopping and winning those online sweepstakes. Choose a password you'll remember. Maybe write it down somewhere safe, like on a sticky note under your favorite fridge magnet. Okay, you're in. Now let's create your Instagram driver's license, your profile. First, you'll need a username. This is how people will find you on Instagram, so make it memorable. You can use your name, a nickname, or even something silly like Dancing Queen Grandma or Coffee Loving Grandpa. Next up, your profile picture. This is your chance to show the world your shining personality. A recent selfie, a picture of your pet, or even a beautiful sunset. Make it something that makes you smile. A picture's worth 1,000 words and a bio's worth 100. Okay, time for the finishing touch. Your bio. This is a short little blurb that tells people who you are and what you're all about. Keep it short, sweet, and sprinkle in some of your favorite things. For example, loves to bake, garden, and spoil my grandkids rotten, or retired engineer, dog dad, and world traveler. Well, I try. Add a few emojis for extra personality. Remember, your bio is like your Instagram elevator pitch. Make it count. Let's talk privacy. Before we go any further, let's talk about privacy. It's a big deal, especially in today's digital age where so much of our lives are online. Because let's be honest, not everyone needs to see your amazing dance moves, unless you want them to, of course. Your personal moments should stay personal, unless you decide otherwise. Instagram lets you choose between a public or private account. This is a crucial decision that affects who can see your posts and interact with you. A public account means anyone can see your posts, comment on them, and follow you without needing your approval. This can be great for reaching a wider audience. While a private account means you get to approve who follows you and sees your content. This gives you more control over your online presence and who gets to be part of your digital life. I recommend starting with a private account. It's a safer way to ease into social media, especially if you're new to it. It's like having a password for your awesome party. Only the people you invite get to join the fun. This way, you can share your moments with those you trust and keep your privacy intact. Remember, you can always switch to a public account later if you feel comfortable, but starting private gives you a chance to learn the ropes without any unwanted attention. So take control of your privacy settings today and enjoy a safer, more enjoyable social media experience. Dive into the Instagram pool, exploring the feed and beyond. All right, you're all set up. Now for the fun part, exploring Instagram. Think of your feed like your personalized news feed. It's where you'll see photos and videos from the people you follow, scroll through, like the posts you enjoy, and leave comments to share the love. Want to find new accounts to follow? Tap that magnifying glass icon to search for your interests, favorite celebrities, or even your grandkids. You never know what you might discover. Liking, commenting, and sharing. Oh my. Now let's talk about interacting with posts. See a picture you like? Double tap it to give it a heart, or tap the heart icon below the post. Want to leave a comment? Tap the speech bubble icon and type away. And if you see a post that's so funny or heartwarming, you just have to share it. Tap the paper airplane icon to send it to a friend or share it on your own story. You're on your way to Insta-fame. Congratulations, my friend. You've officially taken your first steps into the wonderful world of Instagram. Remember, it's all about having fun, connecting with loved ones, and maybe discovering some hilarious cat videos along the way. So, go forth, post those pictures, leave those comments, and most importantly, be yourself. And hey, if you ever need a laugh, you know where to find me. Happy Instagramming.